What's up YouTube? This is Eric Kelly, aka the Tech Gentleman, bringing you guys another video. Today's video is sponsored by Love, specifically Birthday Love. I know that was corny, but I got to give a big shout out to my wife, Ashley Kelly. She's my biggest supporter. She got me started a little while ago with the Blue Yeti microphone. I fell in love with the build quality and the sound quality, so I've been eyeing the opportunity to pick up a pair of blue Lola headphones. She hit me out for my birthday, got them in the house, and I'm gonna go ahead and unbox them for you guys today. But before I get started, I want to remind you guys to hit me up on Instagram, Twitter, and Google+. Also, you can check me out in the comment section below if you got any questions. If you like the video, hit that thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, go on ahead and subscribe. Without further ado, let's talk tech. Alright guys, so I don't know if you could tell by the intro, but I'm super hyped to finally have these headphones in the house. Like I said, I got the Blue Yeti microphone a while back. I don't know if you could tell, but the build quality on this is fantastic. The audio quality is also great. Whenever I hop on a podcast or a stream with somebody, first thing I hear is, oh my goodness, where did all that bass come from? I sound like a real person with this microphone right here. It's easy to use, plug it up through USB, and you're ready to rock out. So that really drew me to the blue Lolas. I've seen them on YouTube a little bit. Not many people are rocking them, but I really dig the design. So if you can see, these look a little bit different, right? Got a little slogan on the box says clearly different. Obviously, these aren't just regular headphones. So on the front up here, we got sealed over ear, high fidelity headphones. Go around the other side of the box and see. You got a glimpse of the full design of these. So multi-jointed headphone headband design for superior fit. Pivoting arms adapt to head shape and size. Ear cups shaped like ears. 50mm fiber reinforced ultra responsive dynamic drivers, and sealed over ear design for immersive isolation. I'm hype about these guys. I've been seeing them on YouTube and they look great. Hoping that they sound great, which I'm almost positive that they do. So love music. Lola is your headphone. The headphone rebellion has begun, and Lola is leading the charge. Lola completely reimagines the form and function of a headphone, so you get optimal sound performance and listen all day comfort. Experience what your music really sounds like with custom 50mm drivers and an advanced ergonomic design that combine to deliver mind-blowing audio on pro AV gear, laptops, tablets, phones, and more. This is no ordinary headphone. Join the rebellion and start listening differently. Hey, I'm a fan. All right, I'm bought in. As you can see, they got the regular trio devices down there: iPod, iPhone, iPad. And on the other side, what are we talking about? Visionary design for unprecedented end-to-end performance. Custom 50mm drivers deliver incredible sound, and revolutionary personalized fit for superior comfort. All right, that's enough reading rainbow. Let's go ahead and get these open. And see, I'm a professional, so I went ahead and cut the tape already, so I ain't even got to do anything fancy. So the unboxing experience is already pretty awesome. As you can see, these lift up and you're presented with the headphones and the ballerist. All right, the most G-est of headphone presentations right here. All right, I'm hyped. This is looking real good. It's feeling real good. These are surprisingly light. I'm shocked how light these are. I thought with these being metal and plastic, these are going to be real heavy, because this blue microphone is super heavy, but it makes sense. These are going on your head and not on the tabletop. I'm really digging this, man. Look at this design. Look at these ear cups. They're ginormous, super plush. The little tension style headband, real dope. We'll go ahead and set these off to the side for just a second, see what else is in the box here. So we lift up. Got some little silica gel. All right, so we got a little bit of paperwork here. Go ahead and take a look at that. There's more to blue than meets the ear. All right, and we got our little blue Lola high fidelity headphone pamphlet here. Pretty much going over, looks like the same stuff that was outside the box, clearly different. Start me up, stuff like that. And we got this nice, okay, so this right here, I don't know if this feels like real suede, yeah. I think this is real suede. Magnetic flap. And we got some contraband on the inside here. What we got? some silica. All right, that's it. Dust this guy off. Okay, yeah, this right here is dope. This right here, normally these little flimsy bags, I'm like, you know, tossing those to the side, but that might stick around right there. All right, see what's in the bag, and then I'm gonna start playing around, man. All right, so we got 2 cables. We got looks like a 3-foot cable that's meant for like your headphones. I mean, meant for your smartphone. So it's got your pause, play, volume up and down. Little buttons right there. That's cool. That's a little flat cable. And okay, I like it. And you have just a longer, probably meant to go into whatever your audio gear is. This looks like about a 10-foot cable, and it's just, you know, 3.5 on the ends. Standard affair, and you have an adapter to plug into whatever kind of audio gear you got. All right, so very simple, straight to the point. I like it. I really like it because I'm ready to get these on my head and start testing them out. But like I said, guys, if you got any questions, hit me up in the comments. I'm going to try these out for about a week or so. I guarantee you I will get enough listen time in that time frame. That's going to happen for sure. And I will get back to you guys with a full review. And until next time, guys, holla at y'all. Peace.